Africans unite. Imagine a world where the whole Africans all over the whole world are united. Our continent, Africa, united Africa. Imagine, I'm not saying we should get rid of the whole 50 countries in Africa, 52 countries in Africa. No, but we'll be united. There will be a less border between the countries. United Africans. When we do this, we are not doing it for our own good alone, for the whole good for the whole Africans all over the whole world. Because even to date, that mental slavery is still there. I was watching a documentary the other day. I can't remember how the conversation was going, but a man was asking a black Muslim lady interrupted. The lady saying, I'm a black, I'm this. Now the man asked him, where are you from? They're like, But if they ask her, where is the stone where they bow down every year, she will know. But where she come from is irrelevant. No, we should start putting ourselves into be relevant. Africans, united Africa. This is the first. Even Mike Tyson said it. So let's start this revolution. United Africa.
Adia militaire ka kotoku reka kotoku vebliboa. Nem so ga mplewo mple ademe ple conjonjon wa mbea. Tiens dira gba pato ma nu nde kudu ekmo bala bopu.
See how a white man is speaking a Togo language. Let's forget our petty, our small tribalism. We are all one. An Igbo man can speak their language. A Ghana man can do the same thing. We will still have our own individual differences. That is the beauty of an Africans. Without all our language, but all will be united. Africans, wake up. Wake up. This white slavery, this white colonization have gone for a long time. Let's wake up. Africans unite.